see, we finally made it back to the bando. Y'all see the bag right here. Shout out to Nordstrom, man. We did a little shopping today. One of these items I got online, the other one in store. So let's get to this t-shirt right here. It's a simple purple brand tee, super dope tee that I got to match up with these sneakers that I'm gonna show you guys off today. Now this material right here, I don't know, maybe it's the shirt, but I feel like a different material on this white shirt right here. Turn around, you guys see the back. Nothing really on the back, just same t-shirt as you can see. This shirt was $135. Y'all know purple brand, I always keep a tag at the bottom of their shirts and stuff like that. Shirts, jeans, shorts, etc. So, but yeah, this tee stood out to me because it's definitely going with the fit that we're gonna put together today. So let's move on to the jeans. And my boy did end up grabbing some jeans as well to match the fit. Now these are what's this? P001. They consider these it's right here on the tag. Skinnies right here, so purple of course. Style P001. These jeans were $225. These were a dope pair of jeans right here. They stood out to me. I like the distressed color, as long as the rip in the pants right here. As y'all can see. Y'all see what is polka dots here? Got a few polka dots on the back of the jeans at the bottom. Y'all can see those, and y'all know purple always had a legendary tag on the back. Sometimes I rip it off, sometimes I leave it on, depending. And they always keep a tag right here in front as well. So I think these were, no, not these, there were another pair that were actually on sale that I wanted. They ended up selling for these. These were dope as well. I don't have a complaint. It's just, my thing about the purple brands, and I wish they had like zippers. Most purple brands, I think all of them, if I'm not mistaken, just come with straight buttons. So not a big deal. It's just like a little pet peeve for me. Sometimes I'm cool with it. Sometimes I don't want to sit there and button up 5 to 6 buttons to close my pants. But these jeans are super dope. The price was once again $225, and I did settle for these because they didn't have an actual jean that I looked for. The other jean was distressed jean, but it wasn't like with the rips in them. But we'll take these. So let me show you guys the sneakers that I'm gonna be pairing up with this outfit. So to all my Air Force One lovers, this box right here, simple Air Force One box. These are the Nike Air Force One patented leather, probably the Mystic Navy. I can get it out the box. Yeah. These joints right here is crazy, man. Just to match up with this shirt. Quick little fit I threw together for y'all, man. Y'all let me know if y'all rocking with it. You can kind of see the Mystic Navy in the shirt as well as the, what is it, like neon, close to like a neon green. So just a little fit to throw on and go. Super dope fit to match up with the sneakers. Now, I plan to get all 3 sneakers, but I just went ahead and grabbed these as well. Well, I grabbed these first because these are the one right here that stood out to me. The yellow and green ones are super dope, but I think over the yellow and green ones, I like the maroon and orange ones. To me, because I don't know, for some reason, like the crazy the shoe is, and if you're able to find an outfit to go with it, it makes it pop that much more. Excuse me. But yeah, that navy and this navy colorway right here is stupid to me. I think this is the hardest color that came in the pack. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what y'all think the hardest color is. Do y'all like the navy ones, or y'all rocking with the yellow ones, or y'all rocking with the maroon ones? So yeah, man, y'all go cop it if y'all feeling this outfit as well. Comment down below and let me know if this is something y'all will rock, or just comment down below again. Let me know that y'all pick up these. So once again, man, I want to say thank y'all once again for tuning in to your boy. What we have coming forward next, y'all stay tuned to the videos. We're on our way to not 1K. I'm tripping. We're on our way to 10K. Like I say, y'all stay tuned to the videos. More to come. And I will, like I say, try to get all these on the channel. But I definitely wanted these first because these are the ones that stood out to me. And yes, y'all, until the next video, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for tuning in. See y'all next time.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay out like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna